Hey everyone, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where I wash the outside of buildings for my livelihood. It's a messy job, it's a wet job. I do wear gloves, but no matter what, at the end of each day, the inside of my gloves are soaking wet, and that's either from me sweating that much or it's from water that somehow snuck in there. So I just want to make a quick video here to share a little device that makes this part of my life a little easier. Behold the Peet Dryer. You get the idea right away. This is just like a hollow glove form, and I put my glove on it at the end of the day when the inside's all nasty. This thing plugs in, but it's not like a hair dryer. It's much lower power. There's just like a slight waft of warm air that circles up through this stuff. And the whole point is that when I come in tomorrow morning, instead of putting on a cold, wet, stinky glove for work, it's gonna be dry and warm and way less stinky. And that makes a big difference for me when I start my day. I love this thing. They also make them for boots. I'll put a link in the description, and I hope to help somebody. Bye-bye.